Hello and a very warm welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. Today's tutorial will be on UGC NET. The subject under consideration is economics. We will concentrate or will try and solve the question paper of the year 2015. It's December, and we will restrict ourselves to some of the questions that we will randomly choose from paper number 2 of this particular exam. So we start the tutorial with question number marked as 6. It says, in the long run, the transitory consumption will be infinity, remain unchanged, decline but will remain positive, be 0. So let's see. Now according to permanent income hypothesis, this particular hypothesis states that the transitory component, that is gains and losses, are expected to cancel out each other over a long period of time. So given this analysis, we can say that in the long run transitory consumption will be 0, and therefore the consumption function takes the form C is equal to by. This is the MPC, and MPC, this I am also saying that in the long run MPC also becomes equal to APC, and they become fairly constant and stable itself. Moving on to the next question, we have the question says, next question is question number 7. It says, according to Keynes, investment demand depends on which of the two factors? So let's see. So I'm inserting a page. Okay. So income and employment in the Keynesian world are determined by two factors. So this is with regard to Keynes. What are they? These are consumption and investment. Now by investment, Keynes means new investment. When price of shares, capital, stocks, etc. are rising, original investment, so I am writing OI, may show a higher monetary value. And don't worry, we will here also draw a line between the Keynesian version and the classical version. Now this higher monetary value should not be taken as additional investment. However, to the classical economist, or if you take the classical view, the two factors that determine investment are the marginal productivity of capital and interest rate. Now we are not gonna come to this portion. This is in brief what it actually means. I am not going into details. Now with the Keynes view, Keynes is right from the beginning itself that the role of expectation plays an important role in case of investment decision. Now based on expectation, he modifies the classical conception that determines investment demand. Now in place of the marginal productivity of capital, he substitute marginal efficiency of capital. This is nothing but marginal efficiency of capital. Now, what is this marginal efficiency of capital? It is the ratio of expected yields or returns from an income yielding capital asset to the supply price or replacement cost of this particular capital asset. Given the analysis, we can the correct answer to this particular question will be rate of interest and marginal efficiency of capital. That means option number C is the correct answer.